What's up everybody, welcome to a daily Bitcoin update, and if you want to know if this is like a biggest Bitcoin trap or if we are going on the lower levels, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 30-minute time frame. Right now, we are forming here after the last dump this triangle, which is more of a bearish setup. But me personally, if you watched the yesterday's analysis, you know that I am right now more bullish. So if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, then I think that there can be a good opportunity for another move up. If we take a look, for example, on the 12-hour chart, you can see that we took like the important liquidity under all of these like previous important lows. But you can see that right now we don't have here like that big bullish volume, and the RSI is still really undervalued. So if you want to create here some scalp long trade, for example, me personally, as I said, I would wait here for the breakout and then a support confirmation. And if this condition is met, you can trade here, for example, something like this. So stop loss, in this case, you need to place somewhere back to this triangle. It needs to be really small stop loss if you want to have here, let's say, good risk to reward. And the last take profit target you can, for example, place under this previous low. Another let's say setup is to put the last take profit target under this bearish order block, which is between level 65k 200 and 64k 700, and then the stop loss you can, for example, place like under these previous lows, and then you can have the risk to reward like 8.46. So let's now take a look on the higher time frame. Is this, in my opinion, a fake out? Well, in my opinion, there is right now higher probability that this is a fake out. But as always, we need to wait for a certain conditions to be met, because right now it's looking like we are gonna confirm a resistance here. And if this will happen, then on the other hand, there will be like a higher probability that the market will continue to go down. So if you want to create some long positions on Bitcoin, me personally, I would wait for a support confirmation again somewhere in this area, so in the area between levels like 61k 230 and 59k 800, something like that. If we are gonna get into this area and we will confirm support here, then I think that there can be pretty high probability that we are gonna test the current all-time high. The other interesting area is the support that I told you about in the last analysis, and this support is between levels like 52k 530 and 50k 670. So this can be another interesting long opportunity. So if we are gonna test this area and there will be like a support confirmation, this can be another interesting long scenario. But in more detail, I described this setup in the yesterday's analysis. Other important thing that I want to show you in today's video is, let's say, the average dump in the current bull market. You can, for example, see that here it was a dump around like 22.3% of the net market. Here it was a dump around like 21.6%, yeah, something like that. And right now we are having here a drop around like 24%. So far this is like the biggest drop in the current bull market. So this can be another thing which can indicate us that the market can reverse really soon. So this is another thing that can indicate us that the market can reverse really soon. So if you were, for example, looking for some interesting buying opportunity because you, for example, I don't know, didn't catch the Bitcoin on like these lower prices, then right now in the long time perspective, again, there can be really good opportunity for some long-term long position. And you can, for example, use the dollar cost average method, which means that right now you will buy for, let's say, some percentage of your capital, and if the market will, let's say, continue to fall, then you can, for example, also buy some Bitcoin here, and here. In my opinion, there is actually not that high probability that we are gonna test like these lower levels, but if we will, then you can, for example, use it for buying cheaper Bitcoin. So let's now get back to the potential trading positions. In my opinion, the next 24 hours will be absolutely critical for Bitcoin. So yeah, I highly recommend you to watch this current chart. And as I said, me personally, I'm watching here the level approximately like 59k 500. And if there will be a support confirmation above this candle, then I think that there can be, let's say, really high probability that the market can reverse and we can open here some long-term long positions, or for example some scalp positions. That's completely up to you. But if you are, for example, also looking for some scalp trade, you can trade this triangle that I showed you in the beginning of this video. But anyway guys, if you for example want to copy my exact trade, or if you want to simply follow my analysis, because on my Discord I am sharing everyday analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching, definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.